No, let's learn another simple sentence in Igbo. To say I went to the hospital. I went to the hospital. Using a familiar sound like help, let's start. Agalam. Agalam. Ụlọọgwụ. Agalam ụlọọgwụ. So in Igbo, you say, Agaram ụlọọgwụ. Agaram ụlọọgwụ. I went to hospital. Agaram ụlọọgwụ. So, a quick quiz to test your last knowledge. How do you say, I will go to work in Igbo? Can you try that? If you can't say it, you can go back to the last video. But I know you will get it, my Igbo champion. Igbo champion. I know you get it. So thank you for learning one sentence today. Keep practicing and learning one sentence at a time. Please subscribe and like for more. Bye.